you claim the block, but never on it.
Look who it is in the scat.
It's dirty, bro. It's dirty.
Can't even tell, bro. It actually looks good on camera. Oof. At least it'll pop the hood. Come on, King. Pop the hood, King. Alright, bro. Let's see what we got in here, bro. Cold air intake, bro? Fuck! This hoe's stock as hell, bro. Tell them what we gonna do, bro. Tell them.
Add 100 more horsepower.
100 more horsepower?
Yeah.
Alright, bet you got a nitrous shot right there, bro. Let's see.
Some slice for the night.
Nah, for real, though. For real, for real. What we doing today?
Just installing the tech plan to help the car last up to 200,000 miles.
Up to 200?
And then some.
Who told you that? You know how to do it? Have you seen the video yet?
No. You
No?
gotta teach me.
Alright, bet, bro. Okay, so first thing you do, flathead screwdriver right here. Just take it off. I don't know if it's hard to see on camera.
It looks like it's zip tied.
No, it's not. That's on mine, look.
From where?
From anywhere.
Just pop this off?
Yeah.
Oh.
It might be threaded, so you may just loosen it a little bit. There you go. You can try pulling it out, maybe. Like with your hand. Try pulling it out. Hard. Yeah, there you go. Simple, huh? Okay, the next, just pull these off. Try pulling it off. You want to do that?
Oil's not gonna spray everywhere.
Nah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Just, there you go. Easy. Easy. How does it smell? It smells like bald eagles, huh? JK. And then now,
85 horsepower.
put this in the hole.
So this one's just gonna stay like that?
Yeah, it's just gonna hang. Should probably put it above it. Let's see. Just switch balls real quick. Let me hold it down.
Oh, that's hot.
Should probably
Got it.
should tighten it. All right, here you go. Should be 12.
Then we got an extension. Those not gonna fit in.
All right, I have it. Let's see. I don't know if it's on lefty or righty, bro. You gotta see, bro.
On the right.
You want me to hold this? Sounds good. You want it?
Yeah.
So like, for the when you empty it out, you can do it at work.
More likely, yeah.
Or just do it like before you get out. Cause like if you drive it there, try to do it right away. It's gonna be hot as fuck.
Oh, so you empty it out before the oil change? Or
You
after?
do, but it says when you first get it, like you're barely getting it, check it within the first 1,000 miles just to see if it's getting any. That's what I did. I already did one.
And if it's not?
Then you probably see a leak.
Fuck.
I mean, it should work though. I mean, you don't need to do it all the way right now. Just so as I get the hoses in. See if it holds, like, just let it go. Yeah, that's fine. That's good. So once you got that done, you just need to put those things right here, about halfway. They don't need to go halfway. Pretty easy, pretty easy. And then you just put the end caps first. You like the red or what?
I'm gonna put some stickers.
Huh?
Put some stickers. Some red
Like
stickers. To cover like the control panel and all that. You know how the other guy people. So these go onto here or?
No, it goes into the hoses, like the ends.
Oh,
So
it's just like that. Don't stay here.
yeah, they'll stay whenever you put it on. And then yeah, you just move it real quick. Just tilt it. Yeah.
So,
And then you just put it in as much as you can. And then you just plug it in as much as you can. Same thing. No! What are you doing? It's right under the boat. Right on there, bro. I think I can get it from here. Maybe if you turn the wheel? No, you can't. Fuck. Wait, where's it at?
we see here right there.
Yeah, I see it too. Uh-oh.
Oh, that's right there.
You got it? There you go. Almost made it harder than it should have. Then
Tighten it back up.
then yeah, you just tighten it. Let me hold this real quick. That's good. Yeah, it should be fine. And then, like I was telling you, I don't know if you remember, but to take it off, you just screw it off. Let's see. Wait, I tightened it. Whoops. So just when you want to empty it.
Dispose of it properly.
Well, yeah.
We don't promote littering or harmful waste to earth.
When I first did the first one, I took it off. I don't know why it was so tight, but it was tight as fuck.
Probably because the heat compressed it.
And it took me a while to get it out.
No, it's just hard.
Yeah, it's gonna transfer.
So you said 1,000 miles?
500,000. Just make sure you check it.
Just to make sure it's catching it. You'll see leaks here.
I mean, it shouldn't leak. I was just kidding. I mean, it mostly only leaks I see in the video is because they forgot to tighten this. And they got it like all over right there. And he saw like white smoke. And he kind of got scared. He's like, oh shit, my engine blew up. Yeah. But now it's just the catch hand. He wasn't screwed all the way. You want to tighten it so however you feel comfortable with it?
All the way.
All the way? That's pretty much it. It's pretty easy, huh?
Time to wash these bad boys.
Yes, sir. That was pretty easy, huh?
Ya tú sabes, primo, coño!
Coño, put it back.